Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make sofrito. Sofrito in our Latin culture is a type of base or a seasoning that we will put in our dishes. Normally we put them in our rice, soups, stews, and other types of dishes. Throughout this channel I'll be using sofritos in my recipes, and before I wanted to show you guys those recipes, I wanted to show you how to make sofrito. So instead of you guys wondering like, what the heck is that green thing in her food? So if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I will be making videos every single Wednesday, so see you on Wednesday. You're going to need oil, cilantro, an onion, tomatoes, green pepper, sliced pimientos, and garlic. Grab your oil and put it inside the blender. It doesn't matter which oil you use, just use whichever one you like. Then grab your sliced pimientos and add it to the blender. Then you're going to want to just mix it up together. Now you're going to add your garlic. I don't like to use too much garlic because I don't like my sofrito to be too garlicky, but it is up to you and how you like it. You can add more garlic if you like. Grab your tomato and cut it into little pieces. I like to put them into little pieces just because it's a little bit easier to blend them in. Grab your tomato and do the same thing you did with your tomato. Again, I feel like it's much easier to cut it into pieces because it will be easier to make it into a liquid form. The same thing you did with your tomatoes and onions, you're going to want to do it with your peppers. And now for the cilantro, all I do is just cut the ends off of it and just place it inside the blender, as you will see later in the video. Now all you have to do is put your tomato pieces into the blender. Now you're going to add your onions. I only used about half of that bowl. Now you're going to add your green peppers. And the last ingredient you're going to add to the blender is your cilantro. And now your sofrito is complete. Now I'm going to show you what I like to do. Not a lot of people do this, but it's up to you. This is optional. I like to grab the sofrito mixture and put it in ice cube trays. and I will then grab that mixture and put it in my freezer, and I'll leave it there for about a day. I love doing this step because once it's frozen, each cube is the perfect serving size for every time that you are cooking with it. I like to store them in a large plastic bowl and just place them in my freezer, and I have about, I want to say, a month worth of sofrito, maybe more. And that's it. That is the finished product. I hope that you guys liked the video. If you did, again, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Ow! She bit my crazy ass cat. You're in the shot. You're in the shot.
Right, just shoot that together. No, I can come home.
I want to see like this part.